Hey everybody, I have a final on the small scale group build. It ain't going to be the end of this project, but it is going to be the end of the group build. Remember, I have the mini rally car too that I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do a diorama. But this is what it looks like so far, just the one that I was doing for small scale group build. I did some airbrushing some dust and dirt, and I did these areas to make it look like it was wet still. It's in the middle of doing its run, so it's still going to have some water. It's still going to have some wet spots. And since they go so fast, they dry out pretty quick. So all this splatter is supposed to be drying out already. And then the lighter colors is supposed to be where it's staying wet. Try to be logical about it and see what areas would stay wet, what areas would dry up. So that was my philosophy in that. It does really look different. I had a picture of it when it was still clean. It looked good when it was clean. I think it's pretty neat to do something different and try to make something more realistic, I guess to say. And so hopefully this scene will turn out pretty cool. I did the windshields, and I made sure it wasn't like crystal clear underneath the windshields, because they never are. I might end up adding a little line here of where it drips, maybe streak it a little bit. But I made sure I added a little bit before, and then I cut a little template out of a index card and then put it on there, and then sprayed more of it on there. So I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. The only thing that kind of sucks is you can't see inside of it anymore. You put all that time and effort into it, and then you can't see. But you kind of can see in the passenger side, see in there some. But it wasn't tons of detail in there, so it ain't like it's the biggest loss in the world. So, thank you, Sean, for hosting this year. I look forward to seeing everybody else's builds. Had a lot of fun. Always have fun on the small scale group build. I'll have to get some more small scale kits for next year if I do it again. I think these were my last two. So, until next time, I'll talk to you guys then. Bye.